Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clean the lens on your printer. So this is a Canon printer. So it's an MG2522. So if you want to do that, pull this compartment. You can't see, sorry I can't see. You need one of those bolts that came with your printer. And you need a coat rack. So let me just have to get the adjustment. Hang on a second. It's not going up. You can see inside. Now you have to get your pull on the ends right here. You have to force the hanger. You have to force the coat hanger into the lens. The lens is located right here on the ink cartridge. So, before you do this, you must have to remove this cap. This cap can remove easily. Now, force the coat hanger and just clean it like so, back and forth 3 times. Now, close the compartment. So, if you have a different model, like a MP version, you have to get this bolt that even comes with the Canon printer. So anyways, this is how to clean the lens on the printer, and that's it.